times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time.
It's your girl 2 Golden, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, subscribe, and as you can see from the title of the video, I will be doing Easter makeup and hair, period. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Which way?
So right here I'm taking my 24K gold face primer, and I like to apply this all over my face just because I have dry skin and I like to use this before I do my makeup. I start with my eyebrows, just lightly filling them in, and I go over with a pencil and I wisp them. Now I'm going to use my concealer, use that under my eyebrow. I like to start under my eyebrow, and I like to spread that onto my eyelid. So I prime my eyes, and I go in using the color Escape, and I like to apply it on my lid, and I do that to the other eye. Then I go in with You're Kidding. I apply that over the Escape, and I blend that out. Then I go in with the shade B, and I apply that over Just Kidding so I can blend it out a little more. Then I go in and do my cut crease with my concealer. I had another mirror, so I was just trying to perfect it. That's why I'm looking back and forth. I go in and I pack my cut crease with the shade Acapella. I go under my eye to give it the dramatic look, so I'm applying Acapella, You're Just Kidding, and B under my eye. After that, I go in and I add the color Flashback into my inner eye. Here, I'm just cleaning up under my eye any leftover eyeshadow that I do not need. So here, I'm just doing my liner. Didn't really want to do a dramatic eye, but now I'm applying my foundation all over. This is my favorite part. I'm concealing under my eyes to get rid of any dark marks. And this is also good to contour your face if you contour, but in this video I didn't contour, I just concealed under my eyes and my nose. Here I use setting powder to set my face. Behind that I added some highlight to my cheeks and my nose, and now I'm lining my lips to give it an ombre effect. The lashes are getting put on, and now it is time for the styling part. I went ahead and I just curled half my head already, and the curls that I am doing, I am curling away from my face. When it comes to curling my hair, I cannot get it done because I start to sing. I start to have a concert. But as you can see, I was jamming and I just went back to work when I realized that, you know, my curls weren't tight enough. And so like sometimes when I flat iron my hair or curl it, my flat iron turns off. So I had to cut it right back on. After I finish curling my hair, I take my pink detangler brush and I just brush the curls out. Just lightly. Now I'm just about to go in and do my finishing touches, which is my baby hairs, and just lay them. This is a glueless wig. So now I'm going to flatten it out. I didn't have my hot comb on hand, but I just flattened it out with the flat iron and brushed it out one more time. And yeah, this is the look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Double up 3 or 4 times. I ain't telling no lies. I just run it up. Never let a hard time.